What is this?
Green peas.
Green peas. And what is this?
Carrot.
Yeah, make you strong. How it make you go? And what is this? Ah, it's finished. You make kiss.
Yes.
You make kiss. I love you. Ah, you wipe it off. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is raining like crazy outside. Oh my god, it is just raining non-stop. Look at that. Look at that rain. Man, it's raining like crazy, but the day have to go on. Babe went out in it this morning because he had to go to work, and I have to go out in it also because yes, it is raining. Say good morning, faves.
Good morning, friends.
I have to go out in it because I have to take Tyler to Babe later in the afternoon, and I have to go to work. So I hope it will stop at some point. It has always been good to me and stop at the moment when I need to go out. So hopefully that will be the case today, but that doesn't look like it's gonna happen the way it's going on outside right now. But it's Jah works, right? That's what we would say in Jamaica. It's Almighty works, and we're thankful for the showers because they always say it's a blessing when the rain falls. But put that aside, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make today good, make it productive, make it constructive, do something, stay courageous, stay loved, stay blessed, stay smiling. I am going for a run right now and then get on with my day. Alice, you're being a sport as usual. What you doing? Tell Fizz what you're doing. Why you have your foot on me?
I want to leave a mug because there's a mug. It's raining outside.
Yeah, it is raining outside. What are you eating?
It's not too.
Yeah, you're eating sweet bread and drinking chocolate. Give mama a kiss. Kissy mama. Mouth kiss.
Water.
You want water?
Yes.
Water please mama.
What are you?
Running, and I just ran alone this morning because I was going to just go all out and do workout because I would have some extra time today. But a little change of plans. Babe just called and told me that there's space at daycare for Tyler, so instead of taking him to Babe's office, I'm gonna take him to daycare, which means that I'm gonna have to leave out earlier. The good thing is I don't have to cook today, so there's nothing like a good old Jamaican Sunday Monday rice and peas and chicken. Okay, so Sunday Monday is going to be for dinner today, so I don't have to cook, so that's good. At least I'll have some time to catch back what I lost this morning from the original plan. So run was good. I killed 30 minutes of just all out running this morning, and I feel so good. As you can see, I am dripping wet. Whew, let me catch my breath there for a minute. So now I'm going to go and make me some green juice and look after Tyler and stuff so that we can be well on our way. What do you say? You're welcome. Green goodness. My gosh, the headphone flattened my little puff. Tyler is done for a nap, and I'm here trying to get some work done before he wakes up for us to head out to catch the bus. Change of plans. He's going to daycare. I think I tell you guys that he's going to daycare instead of Babe office. So I decided that I need to eat some lunch before I head out. Though I'm not feeling that hungry, but I need to eat. I can't go in the bus and pass out. So this is what lunch is looking like for me today. Nothing too fancy, it's just a leftover slice of pizza that I had in the fridge and 2 kiwi. That's as simple as it gets. Look who is awake and ready to go to school. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Mama.
Yeah?
Okay, put the gummy in the box.
Okay, go on.
In the box.
Yes, press it.
Mama.
Good job. She's gone to work. He's asking from a neighbor. Come on. Press 0. Press 0. Tyler, press the elevator, please. 0. 0. Good job.
Papa, the gummy in the bus at number 73.
Yeah, but we're going to take the bus number 65 right now.
No, but Papa, no, Papa, the gummy
Go.
in the 73 bus.
Okay. So you guys, oh, I thought the rain had stopped, but I am wrong. It's still falling a bit, so I have to use Tyler. The rain finally stopped completely, you guys. So Tyler and I could make it to daycare without have to run in this heavy rain. And we're just in time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't get wet? You got wet? No, you didn't got wet. Come. You didn't got wet. Him say Faves, look. What you showing, Faves?
Where's the water?
The water on the ground? Alright, let's go to school, right?
Hi guys, and good evening. It's the evening. It have been a long day. You can see my face. I'm tired. I'm home alone with Tyler. This little bad boy is eating. What are you eating, Tyler? Tyler, what are you eating? Say, Mama? That's how you come home?
You guys, you see I'm coming home from work happy? Mama, Delaveaus. Delaveaus. Hey. Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm listening to music out here. Dance. Dance. Go. 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 Hey. Hey.
Mama. Mama.
Hi guys.
Mama.
I'm just getting back from work. I jog all the way home.
Really?
Look at my face.
Yeah, you look like you just woke up, but you're in gym. Is okay for you? Okay.
Huh?
Something out.
Something in your nose? Let me get it out. It's a big one?
Yes.
Oh, big one.
Big one.
Big one.
Big one.
Big one. Come.
Big one.
Ah. Oh. What is this?
Big one.
Yeah. And what is this?
Yes.
Yeah. Rice and peas. It's yummy. And what is this?
Gummies.
Green peas. And what is this?
Come on.
Yeah, make you strong. How it make you go? And what is this? Ah, it's finished. You make kiss.
Yes.
You make kiss. I love you. Ah, you wipe it off.
Elsa envoie de la glace sur Anna et la blesse à la poitrine. C'est alors qu'Elsa crée Guimauve, un bonhomme de neige bien plus grand qu'Olaf. Il est effrayant et s'occupe de faire fuir Anna, Christophe et Olaf de la montagne.
So night night, Fibs. What else you have to tell the Fibs? My puff is so neat today, don't you think? It's kind of lean though, like it's falling off. No, it's not fake hair, y'all. It's mine, but I guess I catch my hair a little lean, or maybe the puff is just created lean. Anyway, you guys, we are coming on to give you guys the expressions of the day, and the Jamaican expression is going to be awa. And the reason why I'm giving you that is because Babe was just bothering me earlier, and he looked at me and I just turned to him and said, awa. Simple means, what is it?
You see the French expression I'm gonna give. Awa. Awa?
Yes, awa.
Awa.
What is it? What is the French expression?
The French expression for today is mange des carottes, ça rend aimable. Simply means
Mange the carrot like sand.
eat carrots, that's gonna make you pleasant, that's gonna make you nice.
So I wasn't nice when I asked you
you
awa.
need to eat some carrots. So that's the French expression. That's what we used to say to the kids, because like they don't eat carrots. So that's French expression. They say eat carrots. That's gonna make you nice.
He's telling me to eat carrot to make me nice. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll cook some more tomorrow. You want me to eat more carrot than what I'm eating?
Yeah, because you're not nice. Obviously. You need to be more nice.
I am not nice?
You need to be more nice.
I need to be more nice than how I am?
Yes, you need to. You have to.
Why?
It's a must. You must. Alright, guys. That was the French expression for today. Mange des carottes, ça rend aimable.
Mange les carottes, ça rend des sables.
Aimable.
Aimable.
Yeah,
Oh,
aimable is like
aimable.
for aimer, from love, lovable.
Okay, to like.
Yeah, likable, kind, nice.
Okay. So I guess I need to. No, I'm eating enough carrots, damn
No.
it. I'm eating enough carrots. I don't need to eat no
No,
more
I-
carrots. If carrots is going to make me nice, then I won't be nice.
You need
Because
to
I'm already
Better
eating
carrot,
some.
because obviously you don't eat the good one.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes, and you be nice, so you better go eat some carrots, okay? Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and
people.
Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.